Hello tubers, this is your host Farooq Shera, Creative Hacks again. And last time we have cut open the compressor. I have explained how to cut it, but now this is jam and I'm not gonna rewind it. I just don't want to play mess with it, so just carefully while opening. So this is the opening of parts after cutting. Just watch this clip below. This one, how it is fitted outside. This is really important because look at this. Because whenever you are refitting or rewinding or just fixing the motor after repairing it, you need to be very careful about this. If you switch it, you cannot place the relay correctly, and this is the most important part. While opening, you just check this in which direction it is, and if possible, just take a marker and mark it the black dot or any signature you just want to do. So after doing that, just with a pair of screwdrivers, just split this out and just remove it. Little bit of struggle, I guess. Yeah, it came out. And after that, you just need to brace this thing up or remove this thing after use a blower torch, or most preferably I just pull this out like this, and after pulling this out I'll just remove it. I'll show you while. Yeah, there you go. Springs. This pipe should be like this, and I'm just gonna scrap it, so I'll just cut it out for you. If you don't want to cut this, just remove this nut and this cap. I'm just showing you to carefully how to open it. Take a nut of the size and just try to open it. In case after removing that nut, the bolt, you have a copper washer here. This is the most important thing you have to save. Save it. And the springs, and just clean with the diesel all the rusted parts. Now you have just separated a pump set. To separate a stator, this is a stator and this is the rotor, the pump set. You just have to be careful. Open these nuts, and this is similar from 4 sides, so you cannot identify. This is the identification. This should come outside, or this number, or you can just mark it in this way, here and here, with anything, a marker or a hacksaw blade or a pointed something. Put it dots on it, anything you can do it for. So while opening there's nothing, but while fitting you should maintain the space of the rotor and the stator. The gap should be 0.03 nanometers or mm or something scale. But this is the stator. I'm just gonna remove the copper winding and throw this in garbage, scrapyard. And here's the quick view of pump set. All the shit has happened here. The motor is burnt, and burnt really badly. So a lot of disturbances, sorry for that. Here are the 3 nuts for the rotor and the connecting rod. This rotor will come out, and the connecting rod, and this is a connecting rod. We have a piston inside, and here this black thin is a wall plate, and this here is the outer covering. And if this is a jam, you just clean with the diesel. This is free right now, and after running it will be free more than that. And the pumping fail, if it is a pumping fail, just open this. I'll show you, I'll open it for you guys. Secure every nut you see And sorry for this long video, but after securing this, guys, you need to refix it very carefully and very mathematically. This, then this, then this, then this. It's really important to maintain the crosswords, because uh, I don't know what, but technically it's done like that. And after just opening it, little bit of struggle, and you can see these burnt marks of the stator. The motor has burned due to the overrunning of the compressor. And this here is a wall plate. I'll show you. It has a wall plate. I'll just explain. The wall plate is nothing but it's just a non-written wall, and non-written wall attached with these gaskets. Now whenever you open this, you are just changing the wall plate, whether it's available or not. Sometimes dirt sits in here, you clean this also, and you just have to make the gasket, remake the gasket, and you should clean it very carefully. Not even a single scratch should fall on it, on the head. And check out the piston gaps, put some oil here and just compress it, and see whether the oil leaks or the oil pumps out from backward here. Put oil in here, inside here, and hold the pressure here from hand, and the bubbles comes out. That means you have to change the piston. And while changing the piston, if there is a leakage on a block, then you cannot do anything for that. We have to just go on a lathe and design a new piston, oversize, and make a mirror finish and whatsoever it takes, and that's a lot of mess with that. So what wall plate does is it takes air in one direction from here, it pushes towards here, and it does not return in that direction again. Just a sec. Yeah, once the air is passed, it takes it from here in intake and just compresses it here, and the air comes out here, and it is transferred from here to another part of the head from here. Okay, and from here it's just passed from here, this part, this can be opened, and from here it passes through the pipe, and this is all opening of the rotor, stator, compressor and stuff. Just remove this wire. Anyhow, you can just cut it, but the best thing, without cutting this wire, just gradually go slowly with this paper clips here, fiber paper, something, whatever insulator is used. You just remove it and cut this thread. Remove coil by coil separately to rewind it or to make it scrap. Anything you can do it with. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, a comment, and watch for new videos. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. Help me grow my channel, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with all new things.